Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gideon Teresa. Yes, so in today's video I will be showing you how to add a shipping address on Pinduoduo. The site's cheaper than 1688. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. If you are a new subscriber, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload new videos you'll be among the first people to see it. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. I love you. Okay, so let's continue. So I'll be opening my Pinduoduo app now. Let me open Pinduoduo app. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so now if you want to click on address, you see this thing that look like a map, that is location something. That is what you click. So let's click on it now. I already have one address there. As you can see, I have one address there already. Do you see it? So this one here, I have one address here already, but the one I'm going to click now is this one. You can see plus, so that's what I will click. Can you see it? So now if you screenshot and go to your Google Translate and check, now this first one means consigning name. This one means consigning phone number. That's a recipient name, recipient phone number, and this is address. And then what's it called? This is the postal. That's the city. The city it is in China. Do you understand? So now from here, this is not like 1688 but you just click and include the what's it called, the address, and it's automatically. No, you have to work here. So now I'll go to my Google Translate. Okay, can you see I typed consignee name. Let me do it again so I can see. Okay, let's do it again. Consignee name. So I click on copy. This is copy here. This is copy. So I click on copy. Then I go to my notes. That's why I said I have to work. I go to my notes. And then I enter it. Then put this dot. Come down again. Go back to Google Translate. Then consignee number. Come again. Copy it. Then come down. Paste. Go again. Then address. And copy. As I said, you have to work. Oh. You have to work. This is not like 1688. Okay, so now what we need to do is the name, your name, that your own name. That's I'm using thesis, and then your own personal number. Put your number, your name. This is this is my own name, and then you put your number 08 blah 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 blah. Okay, then phone concerning phone number, you have to go to the what's it called, the address you want to use, the address you want to impute. So this is the address I want to use. This is the phone number of the address I want to use now. This is the phone number of the address. This is Sky Cargo. So I click on it, and then I go back to my notes. And then I paste. And then the next one is consigning address. So which is this. Let me copy it and come. Let me delete this one. Okay. copy, then I paste. Can you see? So these three things, I will now copy it from here like this. I copy. So I have copied it, and now I'm going back to Pinduoduo. I'm going back to Pinduoduo. Okay, let me click this now. Can you see that it automatically suggested? It brought, because I already know I copied the number, I copied the address, those things I did on the notes. I copied them, and immediately I click on Pinduoduo. Immediately I came back to the Pinduoduo app. It automatically brought this thing. So let me go back so you can understand this very well. Let me go back. Okay, so now I'm clicking on the location, this symbol again, and then I click on this plus sign. Can you see that it automatically brought it? Then the next thing you click is here. This thing here is what you click. Can you see it? Can you see? This is how it is. So now you have to come back to this place, and put in your name again. You see that the name did not complete, so I have to put in the name again. I already have this one, my former address. This is what I have there, so it's showing me again. So but I want to put okay, let me see. Let me use the same name. Let me use this one. With my company's name. Say Tessis, then phone number 09031765606. Can you see? 09031765606. Okay, so this place now, I think it accepts 25 numbers, 25 characters or something. So if it's more than 25, it will not accept it again. So let me do something so you see what I'm saying. I think they've changed it. Before it is not like that. Okay, yes. Can you see that it was showing red? It was showing red. So everything I do now, it will not enter again, because it's no more there. It won't enter. You know, after that, this one, it was showing red. So there's no more this thing for it again. So from here now, if you are using like something like Skyjet, that they have member number, you have to put the member number after your phone number. You have to put, let's say, something like this. Can you see? Did this what happen here now? You know, I told you that red that I was showing is because I've already exceeded. You see, maximum number. Can you see? Maximum number is 20. Sure, you get. I've already exceeded maximum number that's supposed to be here. Did you see? So if you happen to have something, a situation like this, that your name, this is TC. I can just short it to like TC. It's not even sure. It cannot even enter TC again. Let's I can just short it. I can just leave it as T. Do you understand? Or okay, number is not always 6, so I can make my own TC, so that it can accept the number and the member number. Do you get what I'm saying? The number and the member number here. But in a situation whereby you don't have member number, that you can just leave your name in full. Maybe if you are using shipping company that they don't use member number, you can just leave and use your name in full. Do you understand? So this is practically how to input your name on your shipping address on Pinduoduo app. Then the next thing you need to click is this red button sign here, this one. So let's click it. So once you get to a place like this, please don't click on this thing. This thing is trying to tell us that verify. They want to verify that number. Can you see that number? They want to verify it. It is not, you are not the owner of that China number now, so you cannot verify it. So just cancel it. Just click on cancel here. Can you see? Just click on cancel, and voila, our address is already here. Can you see our address? So this is how to put your shipping address on Pinduoduo. So if I want to make it, set it as my default shipping address, I'll just click this place. I'll click this place here if I want to set it as my default shipping address. But if I want to add another address to it again, I click on this plus sign again. So this is practically how you can add address to your Pinduoduo app.